From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. Taking a look at the Hub Robeson Center right now here in middle of Center County, we do have mostly cloudy conditions with temperatures making it into lower 60s this afternoon. So if you're a warm weather lover, get outdoors and soak in that warmth because it will not be lasting much longer. Again, 61 at this hour with a dew point of 46, making it feel a little bit muggy so it's not too dry, but we do have the high winds coming out of the west-southwest at 60 miles per hour, so it is a little bit breezy out there. If you took a stroll, you can really feel it. Taking a look at our almanac, so unofficially we made it to 61 this afternoon, so that is about 30 degrees, almost 30 degrees above average, not in terms of hitting any record highs as we see a record high of 67, and in terms of lows, we're about 20 degrees above average in terms of our lows, but we will also not be getting close to that record low either today, which will be negative 7 degrees Fahrenheit. Taking a look at your weather headlines over the next week. So we're going to see this brief spring visit, so we won't be seeing 60s in the forecast for a little bit of a while. We will have a settled weekend as we see our next low pressure system bringing in potential for rain and snow Saturday through Sunday, and then we'll remain above average next week, but it will not be particularly warm relatively wise. Taking a look at temperatures across the local area, generally mostly upper 50s to low 60s. If we take a look at the entire Commonwealth, we do have the cold front that's beginning to push through northwest PA, dropping temperatures down into the 30s and 40s. And we do have a cool spot in eastern PA where there's thick fog remaining around, not allowing for the surface to heat. But again, much of southwest to central PA, we're into the 50s and low 60s this afternoon. Taking a look at the radar and satellite, not much going on, just a few sprinkles, but we do have the thicker clouds beginning to move in west to east, so we'll see an increase of cloud cover after seeing a pretty sunny early afternoon. And not much is going on in terms of our Great Lakes and Mid-Atlantic region. We do have some snow that's affecting Maine, but otherwise not too much really going on right now. Taking a look at your future radar, again, by this midnight hour, we're going to get down to the upper 30s, so the temperatures will be dropping off quick this evening. And then tomorrow, it's going to be generally a dry day, not as warm as today, but still almost 10 to 15 degrees above average, with temperatures making it to the mid 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Maybe a few peaks of sun will be possible. Our next rain system will move in late tomorrow evening with mostly moderate to a steady rain moving in. We do see some areas beginning to change over to a rain-snow mix that really takes full force by 3 a.m. on Sunday. Especially if you live along and north of I-80, you could see several inches of snow early Sunday morning, but here in State College, we'll be teetering on that rain-snow mix, so we might only get a slushy inch or so here in State College. And then as the system departs early Monday morning, we're going to see lake effect snow take over. Probably not much here in State College, but just generally dry Monday and Tuesday before our next system moves in on Wednesday, bringing the threat for more rain and snow showers. We could see another inch or so out of the system, so not too significant by any means. In terms of precipitation this weekend, this accounts for snow and rain combined, so around an inch or more of precipitation expected, but not too bad because that's what will be happening mostly during the overnight hours. Taking a look at your 6 and 10 temperature outlook by the Climate Prediction Center, just warmth likely expected across much of the United States. Here in PA, we're going to be mostly in the warmer colors, so not in the warmest contours, but we will still see temperatures above average in the 6 to 10 day temperature period, but not feeling too warm, just upper 30s to low 40s. So tonight we'll go down to 40 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. By tomorrow, we'll make it up to 45 degrees with cloudy and cooler conditions with generally light winds. And then taking a look at your 7-day forecast, again, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see the unsettled weather, especially on Sunday with a rain-snow mix, primarily during the morning and early afternoon hours, only making up to 39 degrees. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, temperatures are generally just staying, again, into the mid to upper 30s, with again unsettled weather on Wednesday and Friday, bringing a few threat for rain and snow showers. Anyway, that is your Friday evening CNET forecast. Have a great week and weekend ahead.